Hi, this is Chamuleshwari. I am from AAA department. I am doing second BTech first semester CAA2 assignment. My topic is parameters problems. Subject name electrical circuit analysis 2. Subject code 2333302. My problem is the hybrid parameters of a two-port network are H11 equals to 5, H12 equals to 20, H21 equals to 15, H22 equals to 10. Determine Z, Y and T parameters. Here it is. First of all, we know the conversions. Z in terms of H parameters. Z parameters are V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. H parameters are V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here I2 minus H21 I1 is equals to H22 V2. Here V2 equals to minus H21 I1 by H22 plus I2 by H22. This is equation 1. Substitute the equation 1 in H parameter. Equation 1 in H parameters. In general equation, V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12. Here V2 value is minus H21 I1 by H22 plus I2 by H22. Here V1 equals to H22 H11 minus H12 H21 by H22 into I1 plus H12 by H22 into I2. This is equation 2. Compare both equation 1 and equation 2 with Z parameters. Here it is the formulas. Z11 equals to delta H by H22. H12 equals to delta Z12 equals to H12 by H22. Z21 equals to minus H21 by H22. Z22 equals to 1 by H22. Next conversion is Y in terms of H parameters. Here it is Y parameters. I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equals to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. V1 is equal, here H parameters, V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here V1 minus H12 V2 is equals to H11 I1. This is equation 1. I1 is equals to V1 by H11 minus H12 V2 by H11. Here V2 is equals to H21 into V1 by H11 minus H12 V2 by H11 plus H22 V2. Here I2 is equals to H21 by H11 V1 minus H21 H12 plus H11 H22 by H11 into V2. I2 is equals to H21 by H11 V1 plus H11 H22 minus H21 by H11 into V2. This is equation 2. Compare the both equation 1 and equation 2. Here it is the formulas. Y11 is equals to 1 by H11. Y12 is equals to minus H by H12 by H11. Y21 is equals to H21 by H11. Y22 is equals to delta H by H11. Next, T in terms of H parameters. T parameters are V1 is equals to A V2 minus B I2. I1 is equals to C V2 minus I2. I1 is equals to C V2 minus D I2. H parameters are V1 is equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. I2 is equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Here H21 I1 is equals to I2 minus H22 V2. I1 is equals to I2 by H21 minus H22 by H21 V2. This is equation 1. V1 is equals to H11 into I2 by H21 minus H22 by H21 V2 plus H12 V2. Here V1 is equals to H11 by H21 I2 minus H11 by H11 H22 by H21 into V2 plus H12 V2. Here V1 is equals to H11 by H21 into I2 minus H11 H22 plus H21 I2 by H21 V2. V1 is equals to H11 by H21 I2 plus H21 H12 minus H11 H22 by H21 into V2. Here it is the formulas. A is equals to H11 H22 minus H12 H21 by H21. B is equals to minus H11 by H22. C is equals to minus H22 by H21. D is equals to minus H by H21. Next, here given parameters are given values are H11 is equals to 5, H12 is equals to 20, H21 is equals to 15, H22 is equals to 10. Conversions formulas. Y in terms of H parameters, Y11 is equals to formula 1 by H11 is equals to 1 by 5 is equals to 0.2. H1 Y12 is equals to minus H12 by H11 is equals to minus 20 by 5. Here answer is minus 4. Y21 is equals to H21 by H11 is equals to 15 by 5 is equals to 3. Y22 is equals to H11 H22 minus H12 H21 by H11. Here values are 5 into 10 into minus 20 into 15 by 5 is equals to minus 50. Answers are Y11 is equals to 0.2, Y12 is equals to minus 4, Y21 is equals to 3, Y22 is equals to minus 50. Next conversions are Z in terms of H parameters. Z11 is equals to delta H by H22 is equals to H11 H22 minus H21 H12 by H22 is equals to 5 into 10 minus 15 into 20 by 10 is equals to minus 25. Z12 is equals to H12 by H22 is equals to 20 by 10 is equals to 2. Z21 is equals to minus H21 by H22 is equals to 15 by 10 is equals to minus 1.5. H22 is equals to 1 by H22 is equals to 1 by 10 is equals to 0.5. Here it is the values. Z11 is equals to minus 25, Z12 is equals to 2, Z21 is equals to minus 1.5, Z22 is equals to 0.1. Next conversions are T in terms of H parameters. Here it is the formula. A is equals to H11 H22 minus H21 by H21 is equals to 5 into 10 minus 15 by 10 by 15 is equals to minus 16 by 16.6. B is equals to minus H by H21 is equals to minus 5 by 15 is equals to minus 0.33. C is equals to minus H22 H by H21 is equals to minus 10 by 15 is equals to minus 0.66. D is equals to minus 1 by H22 H21 is equals to minus 15 by minus 1 by 15 is equals to minus 0.66. Here it is the values. A is equals to minus 16 by 16.66. B is equals to minus 0.33. C is equals to minus 0.66. D is equals to minus 0.66. Thank you.